What are the first steps to get into farming? You should volunteer at a farm, because people often think that it's their dream to live on a farm or to work on a farm or to have a farm, but they actually have no idea how much work it takes. And so before you make any huge investment, you should try working on a farm in the hot sun for 8 and 10 and 12-hour days, because there's no clock to punch on a farm. Animals need to eat every single day. Plants need to be watered every single day. There is no Sunday on a farm. So the first step should be volunteering, long hours, and getting present to what it really takes, because it is not sitting on the porch drinking lemonade, looking out at your beautiful corn waving in the wind. It's work upon work upon work, and some people are built for that and some people aren't. And so I recommend volunteering and getting present to what it really takes.